this is your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep on releasing. So friends, in this video, we are going to speak about September 2020 monthly predictions basis your sun sign. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Taurians, people who are born from 20th of April to 20th of May are Taurians. Let's see what's in cards for them for the month of September 2020. Friends, we'll start with your energy oracles card. So let's see what are the energies that are surrounding you in the coming month. We have patience energy, but it is blocked. So somewhere you will be feeling impatient, restless and little hassled in the coming month. So you really need to be careful on how you react or act to a particular situation which really matters to you. Because of lack of patience, there is a fear of taking some unnecessary decisions or being little confused or being little anxious due to lack of patience. So let's see what other segments are suggesting us. We'll start with your relationship card. We have Six of Swords in the upright position in your relationship segment. Now Six of Swords in the upright position is suggesting that your relationship is going to go through a good phase. It is a turnaround phase for your relationship. So maybe in since past or for some time in past you have been in a claustrophobic relationship where you were feeling sad, you were feeling caught up in a wrong situation, you were too stressed about the relationship that really matters to you. Now this relationship could be a husband-wife relationship, girlfriend-boyfriend or a partner kind of a relationship. It could be a relationship with your family friends, could be a relationship with your kids, with your parents. So depending on the situation for which you are seeking answer, you need to pick the advice. Because this is a general spread, I try to give maximum possible options that the card or that the messages that I get receive from the universe, so that you can pick and choose the advice basis the situation that you are going through. So basically in relationship phase, I can see a positive movement from a negative phase to the positive phase, from the stressful situation to peaceful situation. You might be traveling either practically like a change of location, geographic location, or change of notional situation. So basically your mindset might change from a clutter prone mindset or a stressful mindset to a peaceful and a serene and a safe and secured mindset, and somebody is going to help you out on that journey of taking you from a stress or from a mess to a no mess situation. So overall it shows a positive movement in relationship. Go moment to moment, don't take any hasty decisions, don't take any hasty judgments or calls. Just go moment to moment and experience this change so that it stays with you for a long time. Sometimes what happens is, if drastic change can either make or break you, so don't let this change to be drastic. Let it get absorbed in your system, because you have been going through a stressful situation for quite some time, which has maybe to some extent shaken you from the base, which has led you to anxiety. So it is going to heal slowly and softly. So give yourself time and peace, and give yourself a chance to change to the better position in your relationship. Coming to your career, we can see Justice in the reverse position, which is saying that somewhere in career you're going to face some injustice, some imbalance in terms of your job opportunity or closure of certain deals or certain situations, not being able to connect with people or authorities, which is making you feel that you are being cornered or you are being used or you are being politically manipulated for to suit their needs, or such kind of feeling is possible. There is a possibility that people might try to drag you in some legal issues, or they might try to drag you in some illegal matters with or without your wish. So just be careful on whom you trust upon, whom you confide upon. Be watchful about your deeds. Don't let yourself into a legal mess, into an unethical mess, which can really cost you in the long run in terms of your goodwill. Same is the case for people who are in business. There is a possibility that somebody is trying to bother you, some authority authorities, some government issues, or some legal issues are trying to surround you during this phase. It is not a very positive phase, honestly, so you really need to be careful on what you deal into and what you let yourself into. So just condition yourself to only do and execute things that are clean and clear, and treat yourself like a lion. So be vigilant, be sharp, be strong to face whatever is coming in your career. It is going to be a little tough time. Be prepared to handle it with the right attitude. Avoid any harsh speech, avoid any harsh communication, avoid any diplomatic or manipulative communication, because that can be tweaked and used against you. So just be a little more careful in terms of your communication with the authorities and with your colleagues also. Coming to your finances, we can see Two of Swords in the upright position, which is saying that somewhere you are confused on how to tackle your finances. There is a lot of stress as well as confusion as well as indecision, and somewhere inside there is a fear of making wrong decisions. So you don't trust yourself, neither are you able to find a confidant whom you can trust upon to plan your finances. So in this situation, I would suggest, the advice for you here is, the flowering time is around the corner. Don't take any hasty decisions. If you are not feeling up to it to take any decisions, hold on. Maybe it's not the right time. The good time is yet to come. Wait for that time and then take decision with rightful advice and good mindset. Coming to your health card, we have Seven of Wands in your health segment in the upright position. So somewhere we can see you going through a lot of stress, and you have been fighting it out across for some time. Coming to your health card, we can see Seven of Wands in the upright position, which is suggesting that somewhere you have been through a lot of stress, more so physically as well as mentally, and you have been trying to push your body to a limit, that you have been ignoring your health issues, and you have been carrying it around for a long time. So it is a time to take a charge of it. You have been able to manage to control it, but don't do it for too long, because it might really cost you for your physical as well as mental health. So just spend time with yourself in the nature, with your family, with your friends. Try to rewind yourself and rewind your health. That will help you to face the situation, the tough time which is there in different segments of your life, with a better approach, because it will help you attain the balance in your life. Coming to your chakra advice card, communication is the area of concern. So you have to really be doubly careful when you are communicating, either in your relationship or in your work or in your financial segment. Communication, written communication, oral communication, emotional communication, or unsaid communication, everything needs to be carefully monitored and tackled by you, so that you don't end up hurting right people who really matter to you. At the same time, you don't end up sending wrong messages, which might really cost you, or don't end up rubbing people in the wrong way, in the wrong zone. So just be extra careful on your communication skills in the coming month. Hermit is in the reverse position as your summary card, which says that somewhere you are feeling imbalanced, you are feeling not at the par with your skills, not at the par with your mindset. You are not getting the right intuitions which used to guide you in the path. So nothing to worry, friends. In order to attain this balance, I would suggest you go for meditation, go for aligning your energies in the right direction. That will help you to attain this balance, though it is looking that you will be a little imbalanced because of the energies, impatience energy, anxiety energy that is surrounding you, and lot of ups and downs that are coming in your life. So the best possible way to handle it would be to meditate, try to connect with your inner self, to your higher self, and get the answers, seek the answers to maintain your balance in your personal, professional, and practical life. So I really hope this reading helps you guys. A very good luck to all of you. So friends, I really hope that this video helps you with your answers in the coming time. If you're looking for a personalized session or personalized appointment, appointment, you can connect with me on my handset number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram, Facebook, as well as on my YouTube channel. So you can put a message to me over there. I'll try to revert at the earliest. Don't forget to follow my Instagram page. I keep on putting a lot of posts which are related to the spiritual growth as well as reading or midweek messages over there, which might really help you. Do share my videos with your friends and family on your Facebook pages, Facebook groups or WhatsApp groups, because these are free readings that can help them to get the guidance if they align with the spread, and they can further share it. So that will help them a lot. I do live sessions on few groups, as well as I do regular live sessions now on our YouTube channel, which is Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi as well as in English. So do check out the community page, so that I keep on posting the date of that live video, or you can check my Instagram page also. There I keep on putting when I'll be coming live, so that all of you can join there and seek your answers, because this is a free live session. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I do check on my YouTube comments very frequently. So it is a modus of your feedback. I would really encourage you to share your feedback with me, and do share your inputs, do share your suggestions on how we can better the videos, what all the topics you want me to cover in the pick a card reading, which will help you, and all those kind of suggestions you can surely give. I'll try to answer it. I'll try to cover maximum possible things in my capacity. I would like to thank all the subscribers who are already part of our journey, and I would like to welcome new subscribers on board who will be the part of our family soon. So I really wish you all a very good luck and a very happy time ahead. Take care and stay safe.